Okay guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to make an attempt in explaining some rules of algebra, which is a basic rules you need to know in mathematics when it has to do with algebraic expressions. So let's jump right into the video. Rules of algebra. The first rule of algebra is called the commutativity rule. What does this state? This states that given any two numbers, say x and y arbitrarily, under the operation of addition or multiplication. Commutativity states that x plus y is equal to y plus x, and then x multiplied by y is equal to y multiplied by x. Okay, so what is this actually trying to tell us? So as you can see, it's trying to let us know that yes, that if I pick two numbers, x and y, we can pick any number of our choice. If I take x plus y, it is equal to saying y plus x. If I say x multiplied by y, it is also equal to saying y multiplied by x. So let us choose arbitrary numbers and see how true is that. So if I say x is equal to 3, I'm choosing any number of my choice, and y is equal to 2. Does this hold? 3 plus 2 is it equal to 2 plus 3? Yes. 3 plus 2 is what? 5. And 2 plus 3 is also what? 5. So we conclude that addition is commutative. Let's also check for multiplication that x multiplied by y is equal to y multiplied by x. Choosing x to be 3 and y to be 2. 3 multiplied by 2 is it equal to 2 multiplied by 3? 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, and then 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So that holds. So we conclude that multiplication is commutative. Okay. I know the next question that will come to your mind in this section will be, how about for addition? Is addition commutative? Subtraction rather. Is subtraction commutative or not? Any other operation apart from multiplication and addition is not commutative. Yes, because x minus y is not equal to y minus x. If we choose that x is equal to 2 and when y is equal to 3, is 2 minus 3, is it equal to 3 minus 2? 2 minus 3 is minus 1, and then 3 minus 2 is 1. We can see it's not equal. If we also check for division, is x divided by y, is it the same thing as y divided by 2? No, because 2 divided by 3 is not equal to 3 divided by 2. So only addition and multiplication is commutative. Rule number 2. Okay. Rule number 2 states is called associativity. That is the second rule of algebra. What does it state? Associativity has to do with 3 numbers, unlike commutativity. So given any 3 numbers, say A, B, and C, under the operation of multiplication or addition, commutativity states that A plus B in brackets plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. For multiplication, it states that A multiplied by B multiplied by C is equal to A multiplied by B multiplied by C. According to Bodmans, we always check out for the bracket first. So what is this rule trying to tell us? It's trying to tell us that yes, that if we first of all add the 2 numbers in the bracket, before coming down to add it to the C we have here, is it the same thing as keeping this first number before coming to add to B plus C? The same thing happens for multiplication. So let us choose any number of our choice. So let us say A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 3. Let us try on our own to substitute those numbers and then see if it will actually give us the left hand side, if the left hand side will actually be equal to the right hand side. So is it true that 1 plus 2, this is for A, this is for B, plus 3 is equal to 1 plus into bracket 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 is 3, and this is 3. So 3 plus 3 will give me what? 6. That is for the right hand side. Let's check for the left hand side. This is 1 plus 2 plus 3 will give me 5. And then 1 plus 5 will give me 6. So we can see that this is actually equal. So we conclude that what? That addition is associative. Does that take place for multiplication? Is 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3? Let's check that out. So we are saying is 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, is it equal to 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3? 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 for the left hand side, multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 3 will give me 6. That's for the left hand side. Let's check for the right hand side. We keep the 1 first and then we add what is inside the bracket. We multiply what is inside the bracket. 2 multiplied by 3 will give me what? 6. And then 1 multiplied by 6 will give me 6 also. So this is equal. So we conclude that what? That multiplication is associative. Any other operation you try to check for this will give us a negative accentation. Because if we try to see for addition, if we say that A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C, no. If you also check for division, A divided by B then divided by C is not equal to A divided by C divided by B. So it is only with multiplication and what? Addition. That is what associative. The last rule. So the next law is called distributivity. So distributivity is the use of multiplication, that is distributing multiplication over addition and subtraction from the left hand and the right hand side. So let's say we have three numbers, say x, y, and z. Under the operation addition and subtraction is distributed with the operation multiplication. So we're actually saying that multiplication, let me put multiplication somewhere here. Multiplication is used to distribute addition and subtraction over these numbers from the left hand side and the right hand side. So that statement is actually telling us that there are two kinds of distributivity. So the first one is called the left hand side distributivity. While the second is called the right hand side distributivity. So now what does that mean by distributing multiplication? So it says it's using x multiply into y plus z is equal to x multiplied by y plus x multiplied by z. That's for addition. So if you look at this, this is for subtraction. That is x multiplied by y minus z is equal to x y minus x z. So let me explain what I have here. This is called left hand side distributivity, because the value that is distributing into the bracket is from the left hand side, and that value is x. So the first one is called left hand side distributivity with the operation addition, that is with respect to addition, while the second is called left hand distributivity under the operation of subtraction. So both these are called left hand distributivity, left hand side distributivity. So now let us look at the right hand side. How does that look? Let me call it asterisk. The right hand side is distributing multiplication from the right hand side over addition or subtraction. So that will be similar to what we have before, but at this point this will be x plus z multiplied by plus y multiplied by z, and this is equal to xz plus yz. Also, this is asterisk. So this will be for subtraction. Say x multiplied by subtract y multiplied by z is equal to xz multiplied by yz. So these two is called right hand side. So let me explain everything there. That's as simple as the theorem. So everything here, the first one is called the left hand side. As we can see, x is distributing itself from the left hand. So that's why we have x multiplied by y will give me xy, and then x multiplied by z will give me xz. This is x multiplied by y will give me xy, and x multiplied by minus z will give me minus xz. if you come over to this part, we have x multiplied by z, which is sz, and then y multiplied by z, which is yz. And what is distributing? Z is distributing from the right hand side. The same thing happens here. So any other operation that is not addition, subtraction and multiplication cannot be distributed. So it is only multiplication that can be distributed.